Okay, so last night we took a loss, uh, about 1300, and today we're trying to get back at break even. I don't usually use or trade Asia session, but given the price action from New York yesterday, which is just a whole bunch of noise here, um, I I thought that, most likely Asia and London would produce some cleaner price action, which we can see here. So the explanation for yesterday's price action, and it should have been something that I expected, is because there was a major bank holiday over the weekend, 4th of July. Uh, and yep, usually the Monday following uh, the bank holidays, price is very, very, very choppy, a result, as we can see here, evidently. Now, my bias yesterday was that we want to see one of these areas of liquidity being run. And so what's happened here is buy side liquidity uh, was ran through during New York. So 950 finally broke that around 1010, made the highs at about midday before we start seeing sell-off uh, through to the afternoon session and overnight. And this is what I've highlighted. This is what I predicted yesterday, was that when one of these highs get taken out, price will move to seek the opposing area of liquidity. And we can see that happening right here. So Asia session usually starts off about 8 p.m. I can see that that price is trending lower, and was waiting for a retracement or confirmation of sorts, and I was able to identify this CIBI formed right at 8:30 p.m. So that price retraced back here, entered perfectly, stops above this high, and we're just about to take profit, which will put us right at break even. Unless it's already, we've already taken profit. Fantastic. Awesome. We are back. We're so back. And so that's a nice clean trade. There we go. I expect the price to keep running lower, but this is just another one of those days where there's a lot of clean price action. And I don't get many of these often. A lot of the time it's very frustrating. Price, yeah. Wow, this is one of the cleanest trades I've had. We're able to get just about 500 ticks. Wow, awesome. Yeah, 539 ticks. Wow, really happy with that result. So if if I go and look at my trade performance, we can see here uh, we made back the 1300 that we lost from yesterday. One trade, I put on 5 contracts. Yeah, 5 contracts. Um, yeah, really nice. And that's again, we're up $1,000 on all accounts. So just to review um, what's happened here. This is a 5 minute civvy. Asia session started at 8 p.m. We see that price is in a downtrend, was looking for a retracement and confirmation that price will move lower. So this is the retracement that we got at the open of Asia session. And then we see a big sell-off, invalidating all of these BISIs. And so formed a 5 minute civvy, which, as price broke below this low here, we see a retracement, price remaining below consequent encroachment of that 5 minute civvy, and then perfect entry. And over the course of just over half an hour, we were able to take profit. And the target for this was yesterday's Asia lows or weekend lows, which is a very easy draw in liquidity here. So, potentially, we could have found another entry around here, but we'll take that for now and wait for the next session. I think that'll be it for today. Yeah, I'm just gonna hop off now and be happy with that result.